barbecue fam? Today we're doing a smash burgers on a slow and sear kettle. Oh hell yeah, we got that dripping griddle. We're gonna use it. It's a stainless steel one. Let's see how this thing works. And the first test is bacon. So I threw in a couple tumbleweeds. We'll get this lid up. So we'll let that get rip roaring. Put that griddle on there and then do a little bit of bacon, crisp that up, pull it off, and then we're gonna start smashing down some burger patties. Oh hell yeah. Smash burgers, always great. And our first thing we're throwing down is some bacon, and we're gonna cook these burgers in that leftover rendered bacon fat. Oh hell yeah. Some chunks of bacon. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah.
Crazy. 2 at a time. And then assemble them how you want. I'm going to throw in some, actually I'm using cheddar cheese slices on mine. Uncle Steve's Lucky Cow Shake. And that's just an all-purpose seasoning. So do what you want. Salt, pepper. But I like that granulated, thicker, chunky seasoning. And then from there, brioche, sesame seed buns, Duke's mayo, ketchup, jalapeno slices, lettuce, tomato, onion. And damn. Oh damn, that is badass. Oh hell yeah, you can get behind that.
I said give me a hell yeah.
Oh hell yeah. Smash burgers on a slow and sear kettle with that dripping griddle. Damn straight. Let's cut into this bad boy. Oh, hell yeah. We've got bacon. We've got onions. We've got jalapenos. We've got cheddar cheese. We've got some damn good burgers. Oh, cheers, folks. You can't go wrong. No. Oh, hell no. Yeah, messy, juicy, delicious. Oh, hell yeah. Smash burgers on a kettle. Easily done. That dripping griddle is badass. I did some bacon first and pulled that off, and then we started doing some smash burgers. This method, I can fit 6 patties. I have another griddle that I used to use on the other kettle that I use, and I can only fit about 4 max. This 6, hell yeah. 12 and 2 runs, you're about 4 minutes each. Less than 10 minutes, you got yourself a whole bunch of smash burgers. So some key takeaways on the slow and sear kettle. with the dripping griddle on top. Get that basket totally lit and burn it down a little bit more than where I was at. You get some hot spots, and I think originally I might flip that griddle to the other side. It's so hot in the beginning, why not? And smash your patties down. And if it's not hot enough, wear some gloves, flip that griddle over to the heat, and then if you got to, flip it to the other side. Cook it so quick anyway. Keep the gloves on, good to go. Oh hell yeah. Slow and Sear kettle, very versatile, a badass grill. I love it. It's awesome.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Oh boy. Mess that one up a touch. Alright. And bam. Oop.